And then we should find 5% of 450 and add it to 450.
No need, or else directly you can take. What is the question here? The cost of pair of roller sockets or at shop was rupees 450. The sale tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. That means 100% is given. You need to find
150, 105, 105%.
105, or else you can go with
105%.
whatever the thing, 5% of your whatever the bill amount. Then you have to
Yes,
add
ma'am.
your
That is a
original
lot
amount.
easier.
That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also the thing, children. You can go with 5% of 450. What is 5% of 450?
2250.
45. 10% means 45. Nana, I said yesterday you just convert as a 10%, then half of 10. Half of 10 means you will get very fast. Half of 10 is how much? Half of 450.
Ma'am, half of 45
Half
is
of 10.
22.50.
Yeah, 22.50. 450 plus 22.50. That is your bill amount right now. After adding service tax, after adding sale tax, how much amount you supposed to pay for the bill?
450 plus 22.50.
22.50. Yes. I'm not going to do, children. It's very simple. Just you have to add it. Bill amount is nothing but the cost of the item plus sale tax together. You have to do.
And they'll also ask sometimes original amount.
Sale tax means just you have to, whatever the percentage of sale tax is added, that amount you have to find out, children. To find out 5% of 450, you just find out 10% directly. It's 45. 45, half of 45 is 22.50. So 450 plus 22.50 is nothing but 472.50. Coming to the next one, you see, there is a girl, Vedha, bought an air cooler for rupees 3,300, including tax of 10%. Including tax of 10% means she included the tax also. Find the price at air cooler before VAT. VAT is added. VAT is added so that her amount is 3,300. So what you supposed to find out before tax is added? What is the price of a cooler? So how you supposed to find this, children? 110%. You just equate 110%. You just equate it to 110%.
Ma'am, our teacher substituted some formulas.
No need, children.
He told us to use that.
Children, nowadays, we all our examinations in future also, there is no written part. You supposed to solve all the MCQ based questions only before your teachers are informed or not. I am not sure. But 10th class also planned like that only. Even 9th, whatever the things happens for 9th and 10th, obviously we are getting the same thing. Most of the only written part when is a subjective examinations in schools happens, that is only. But period terms always is going with the objective part only, children. Objective question, objective test. How your objective paper like MSET, different competitive examinations you are writing like that only. What happened to my pen is not working.
Ma'am, next week I have a subjective examination, ma'am, FA2.
FA2 next week onwards, 24th or 23rd?
23rd,
ma'am. We wrote PA1
Ma'am, for me 21st
from last week.
Ma'am, for me 23rd, the first exam is maths.
What are the chapters, children? Be aware about this week. You have 2-3 holidays, I think so. If you have any doubts,
ma'am, my first quarterly exam was over about like 1 week ago, ma'am.
First exam completed.
Yes, ma'am. And next month I have it at FA2. I have FA2 at 16th, ma'am. Next month, 16th.
Yeah. What are the chapters? Please plan it in the rough paper. You have to write it. What are the topics you are practicing?
Ma'am, I have squares and square roots, exponential power, and rational numbers, ma'am. Easy chapters.
Okay, please practice.
For me, ma'am, I have practical geometry.
For me, they haven't decided yet, ma'am.
Most chapters.
Okay, and Mahyasri, for everyone, I think, I hope all the chapters, whatever.
For me, they haven't decided, ma'am.
Okay, let it be. Children, in this question, 9th example, you just see, including tax. Including tax means 110% is nothing but how much it is given? 3,300. You have to ask before tax means how much it is 100%. You have to just find out to do the cross multiplication. 330 into 100 divided by 110%. Just to cancel, children. 11 ones are
Ma'am, it is not 3,330, ma'am.
No, only 3,000, Nana. Before GST, what is the before VAT? What is the price of air cooler? It's 3,000 rupees. So you have to check here.
Yes, ma'am, 3,000.
Ma'am, you wrote 110% is equal to 330, ma'am. It is 3300.
Oh, okay. It is one more zero you supposed.
Ma'am, 3300.
Right.
Yes,
You
ma'am. The
have to-
answer will be different.
yes, right. You're supposed to add more to it. Next, children, same thing. You have to go with the next 10th bit. Salim bought an article for rupees 784, which is included GST 12%. Whenever you are getting as included means you just add to 100, Nana. 100, 12% included means what? How much? It is 112%. 112% is nothing but 784. What is the price article before GST? Before GST, how much we are thinking? 100%. 100% is how much? We just do the cross multiplication.
794 into 100 by
112. So here, which table you can simplify, children? If you don't know anything, you can go with the 2 table. 2 table is very simple, right? 50 times half of 112.
Yes, ma'am, 2 table is allowed.
5, 6, 56. Again 2 table.
56.
25. 25 half of 56. 56 half means
28.
28.
28,
So
ma'am.
28 will go in which table? 7 table. You have to check whether this number is also, I think it will go in 7 table. So 7, how many times?
7 12 ja.
7 4s are
7
28.
1 ja 7 7 12 ja.
7 1s are 7. Again
1 1
7 1s are 7. Here 7 1 1 2 times, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Again 4th table 1 1 2 will cancel. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 32 will happen. 32 when? 32 is 8 times, right? 8 times
Yes, ma'am.
8 times 4 8 times.
8 4 32, ma'am.
So 28 into 25. Children, it is also you can multiply. No need of doing more hard work here. You just go with instead of 25, you just make it as 100 by 4. For 1, sir, how many times 28? 4, how many times 28?
7 times.
7 times 28. So just write it as 700. Don't you just think and do calculations also, easier method.
Ma'am, we already did know, ma'am. 4 1 ja 428 ja. Again, how can we do, ma'am?
Which one, Nana? For instead of 25, what can I write here to make my calculation simple, Satvik? Can I write instead of 25, 100 by 4?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. Yes.
So instead of 100 by 4, I got 4 1s are 4 7s are 28. 7 into 100, it's very easy, 700. Instead of multiplying with 28 and 25, you go with such a multiplication, makes easier for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, children, that's all. This is the questions. And coming to the exercise 8.2, a man got 10% increase in his salary. Understand the question. Increase in salary. So increased. If his new salary is 1,54,000, find its original salary.
Ma'am, 110% equal
is
to
equal to
1,54,000. 100% equal.
Increased means 110%. 100% manam original salary anukunte. Increased means 10% increased.
So 154,000 into 100 by 110.
That's all. 100% is question mark. You just go with cross multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want many steps, children. You have to make your some more simple. 100 by 110. How 0 0 cancelled? It will go in 11 table or not? You are supposed to check it. Yes, it will go. 11 1s are 11. 4 is remainder. So 44 means 4 times 44. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. You just add 3 zeros. There is one more zero. One more zero is there.
Yes.
Let's go with
1,4,0,0,0.
1 to 4 zeros.
that's all, Nana. How you supposed to read? 1 lakh?
1 lakh.
1,40,000.
This is the way you can.
1,40,000.
This is the way you can. Same the second question. On Sunday, 845 people went to zoo. On Monday, 169 people went to. On Monday, 169 people went. What is the percentage of decrease of people visiting zoo? Nana, directly based on Sunday 845, people are decreased on Monday by 169.
1
People went to zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. That means how much? How many are decreased? 845
45 minus 169
how
equals
much?
to 676.
Yes.
No, how much?
676.
600
Ma'am,
and
6 and
yeah.
676.
Decrease means always you need to do subtract. That means 845 minus 169. Based on what we are comparing, Nana? Based on initial. Yes. Come on. Yes, visiting on what is the
Into
numerator?
100.
Numerator enta Nana?
Ma'am, 676.
676 divided by 845 multiplied with 100. Come on, children, how you supposed to simplify this easily? How you supposed to simplify this easily? 5 table, can we go with
Yes,
5
ma'am.
table?
5 table 8.
Yes, ma'am. 5 table.
5 ones are, this is 34. 34 means how many times? No, 30 means 6 times. 30, 5, 6 are 30. 45 means 9 times. Now, the numerator is 676 into 20 into 169. 169 will go in, what is the square root of 169?
13.
13.
13. Maybe you just check the numerator will go in 13 table or not. Yes or no? 13 5s are enta Nana? 13 5s are 65. 65 means 13 2s are 26. Yes, it will divisible by 13. Yes or no? You just
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am.
It is divisible.
Yes, ma'am, it is 52.
169 and
Like that, you estimate your whether which table it is cancelling. 169 happens means immediately your mind should go with 613.
169 4 times, ma'am. 676.
Okay, directly also, if you know directly, you can go with, if you don't know directly also, you can,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, is 52 a multiple of 13?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
The
then
answer
again we
will
can
be
cancel it.
80%, ma'am.
Yes. 13 ones
Yes,
are,
ma'am. 4 by
13
1.
ones are, 13 fours are, Nana. So 4 twos are how much?
8.
Ma'am, it will be 80%.
80% of people were decreased because of coronavirus. Next question, go to the third question, children, please. Only the thing, the calculation part is very important. How much faster you are doing the calculation. Once the simplification, how you're supposed to do, you know that what are the steps you have to follow. But how much faster you are doing calculation, how much time you are saving here, that time you're supposed to invest for your tough questions, like complex questions. Next, a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400 and sell it for profit of 16%. Find the selling price of an article. What happened, children?
And
Here?
first we have to find
60%
for
of
80 articles
2,400
from
and we need to add it to 2,400 and we need to divide it by 80.
Okay. Why? Because find the selling price of one article is given.
Yes, ma'am, that's why we need to divide by 80.
Yes, yes, very good. That's all. Children, here you will do this can I give as a homework for you, third bit? Or you want
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
on the screen? Yes, children, here
Yes, ma'am.
very simple. You just question is a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400. 80 articles, how much he brought, how much he 2,400 and sell it a profit is
1,400 by 80.
16%. Profit on 16% means you have to take it as a 16%.
16 by
How you
100
supposed to take, Nana? 16 by 100. So here,
into 2400.
yes. So yeah, 16%.
Ma'am, or we can do directly like 116 into 2400. 116 by 100 into 2400.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
You can. Or else is any other method is there to solve this, some Sahu? Sahu, only that method or any other method is there to solve this? Can we find one article directly?
Currently, I can think of only that method.
No. Can we go with directly one article price so that whatever the price of one article, definitely.
Yes, ma'am, means we can use unitary
Yes,
method
ma'am.
there.
But it's very more simple. Why? Because
Can use
8 and
unitary
24.
method.
8 multiple is 24, right?
Yes,
So what is a single article cost? What is
30,
the
ma'am.
cost? 30
Ma'am,
rupees.
34.80.
30 rupees, 16%. 16% of 30 rupees, how much? Nana?
34.80, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 34.80 plus profit means the
Is
16%.
it the same answer you will get? You just find out if you do unitary.
Yes, ma'am.
multiplication.
Same answer. Same
Same
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. I got the same.
Same answer you are getting, children.
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
Please try in that method also, children. Don't stick to complete. You just 24% of 16. No need. You just go with why, because 8 multiple is 24. You can easily find out.
Ma'am, will you start simple and compound interest today?
Yes. We can go. That. So very basic questions, Nana. These are also very important. We'll just complete this, then we'll go with that.
And we can do it like 16 into 30 by 100, which is 4.8, and 30 plus 4.80 is 3480, ma'am. 34.80.
I got 34.8, ma'am.
Correct only. Coming to the next question, the cost of an article was 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on repairs. Always, whatever the repairs, whatever the extra charges, we are adding.
And we have to add repairs, ma'am.
Yes, you
We
are
have to
supposed
find the
to add.
total CP.
That means how much, Nana? 15,950 the cost price, and sold it for rupees a profit 15%. So on what amount you are supposed to find out? 15%. 15% of 15,000.
Ma'am, 15,950.
15,950.
Find the selling price.
ma'am.
You can find, children, as usual. You can find. Any doubt means please let me know, children. I can do on the screen.
Just a minute, ma'am. I will find.
Ma'am, we need to find.
Yes, just we will do on the screen. Cost price of article, how much is given, Satvik, in this?
15,950.
And plus repairs is how much?
450, ma'am.
That means cost price, how much cost price it is?
15,950.
15,050.
So what is given here? 15%. Yeah. If it is sold it as a profit of 15%. So you have to find out profit means cost price of 15%. So 15%, how much cost price happens, Donna? You just find out 15% easily you can.
Ma'am, SB is equals to.
Ma'am, profit is 2392.5.
Simplification, you have to very careful, children. Simplification only making mistakes by the students. Here, if you are able to solve correctly, you can find out easily the answer. What are the things are? You just see 0, 0. Any other? Here 2 times. Here we'll go with 3 times. Next 2. How many times?
Yes,
7 times. It's 9 times 18.
Ma'am, the profit is 2,392.50.
18, 15 means how much, Nana? 15 means it's 7.5. Come on, you just multiply with the 7975 with the 3, so that you can get 15% of that amount.
Ma'am, it is 2,392.50.
Ma'am, 2392.50.
2392.5.
Yes, 23.
2392.50, ma'am.
92, ma'am.
2392.50.
This is 15%. So now you have to find out selling price, Nana. Selling price, how you will find out 15,950 plus?
Ma'am, 15,950 plus 2392.50.
Yes.
18,342.50.
Oh yeah, please add those 2 numbers and give the result. What is the result?
It is 18,300.
18,342.50.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes, good, Nana. Go to the 5th question. VCR and TV. VCR means what, you know, children? Nowadays people don't know.
Ma'am, that Dabba TV.
Huh?
That box kind of TV was there in the olden days.
You maybe, unfortunately, you are unable to see that. We are very fond of.
Ma'am, I have in my village home.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's known as video cassette recorder, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Video cassette, ma'am.
Yes. In our days also.
It was used to watch movies in olden days.
Not only movies, any.
Ma'am, the quality
Any
and the thing is very
entertainment,
bad.
ma'am, in olden days.
Yes, yes. Right now, unfortunately, I never see such instrument in anywhere in any other homes also.
Ma'am, we have that, but the quality and the condition is very poor.
Okay, yeah, because those days
It's very old, ma'am. That's why.
because those days that is great. Nowadays, your mobile phones are great.
Ma'am, we only have
Yes,
digital,
ma'am, we have
ma'am,
tablets,
like
mobile
Google
phones,
Drive we use,
TVs.
ma'am.
Yes, many
To
things
download
are there.
anything.
Yeah, many things are there. In future, what will come? That time your children will say these are very.
Cloud storage, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can download that in the brain also, maybe in the future.
Yeah. Maybe some type of.
Like we will scan all the mathematics formulae in our brain.
Okay, children. VCR and TV were brought for rupees 8,000 each. The shopkeeper made at loss 4% on VCR and profit on 8% TV. Find gain or loss.
Ma'am, 4% gain is there, ma'am.
Why it is happens
Ma'am,
8,000?
8% profit
8%
and
minus
4%
4%.
loss.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
the
it will
price
be
is
4%.
ma'am, the price is same. That's why we can directly tell that it is 4% profit.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. The same question
Yes,
yesterday.
ma'am, we can say directly
What
4%.
is the question yesterday we discussed with children? Just a minute, I will. That is also very important.
Yes, ma'am, it is just like this.
Yeah. A shopkeeper brought two TV sets, 10,000 cost each. He sold one as a profit 10, another loss as 10%. Whether he made an overall profit or loss? Same varieties of question.
He
Here
made
there are two TVs,
Profit
but
by 5%.
yeah, there is no loss, no gain.
But here there is no loss or no gain.
There is no loss.
Ma'am, but
and no
here we can subtract the smaller number from the bigger
But
number
here
and
it is a
Here
4%.
add the
the
minus and plus
multiply.
as the gain.
Yes, 4% of 8,000. How much, children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
It is
Ma'am, it will be
640.
4% gain.
1 minute, ma'am. Some student is calling. Yes, Ashrita.
No, ma'am. This is Shreya.
Shreya, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt from an Olympiad question. Can I ask it after you?
Yes. We will go with the Olympiad question. So you just put a note in that. Last 5 minutes remained means.
Yeah,
we'll
ma'am.
discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll discuss. Good. Please go through the Olympiad books also, children. There are many questions you need to practice there. Varieties of questions we can find there in the competitive books. Next, you have to see here only 4% of 8,000. Yes, children, is it gain or loss?
Ma'am, but we don't need to find the rupee, no means the amount.
Find the gain or loss percent, that's all. Okay. Then,
Ma'am, then 4% gain.
4%. 8 minus 4, it's a 4%. Why? Because the price is same for both the articles. If price is different, what you're supposed to do, you have to separately calculate that 4% and 8%.
Yes.
Then you need to calculate, children. But in this case, no need to calculate. Directly, we can say that 4% is profit percentage. Next, coming to the next sixth one, during a sale, a shop offered a discount 10% on the market price of all items. What would a customer, what happened, children? What would a customer to have it during a sale? What is the given question? Let me see.
Ma'am, during the
sale,
sale,
shop
shop
offered a
offered
discount of
10%
10%
on the mark prices
of
of
all
all
items.
items.
Okay.
What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans at 1,450 and two shirts marked at
Rupees 840 each.
No, the question is very wisely given. Here, a pair of jeans is marked. Pair of jeans is marked as 1450.
Yes, ma'am,
But
1450.
two shirts marked as 850.
But we have to double it, ma'am, 850 because it's two shirts.
Two shirts you have
Ma'am,
to
1700. Ma'am, 170.
1700. Then go to the question. What is the question? During the sale, whatever offer happens, children, 10% on market price.
Ma'am, can we add all and subtract?
Go with the 10%.
Then we need to find 20% of 1450 and subtract it by 1450.
Why 20%?
Ma'am, because a pair of jeans means two.
No. Whatever the
No,
amount
ma'am,
only.
Ma'am, but he is buying pair only, no? So no need to subtract.
Okay, means only 10%.
10% only, because we are going to calculate. There question is asking about what is during the whatever the sale happens.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, so here we need to find that 1700 plus 1450, or separately we should find. I think
You
it will
have
come
to
same.
add it.
Ma'am, I think
Then you just add amount, Nana. You just add amount. Complete. Here, what is?
Ma'am, it will be 3,150.
No,
ma'am.
they didn't give anything, children. Whatever the thing is given, discount of 10% on market prices. You have to separately go with the 10%, right? Right. Very good question. Sahu, you are very good.
Ma'am, I did separately only.
Exactly. 145 rupees is discount happens on jeans pants. Coming to shirts, how much, children? 850 plus 850, it's 14.
Ma'am, 170 rupees, 170.
170 plus 145.
Ma'am, 315, ma'am, 315, I think.
Why we need to find separately? Please let me know, children. Here, each there are market price of all items. So whatever the market price was given in the, then he is giving 10% discount. He is not giving on overall. He is not giving on the bill. He is giving jeans pant as 10% as whatever the amount purchased, 1450 of 10%.
Ma'am, but we are getting the same answer.
Same answer you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If you
ma'am, both
combine
the
all,
ways.
you have to
Ma'am,
separately, we
315
get
and
same only,
315,
ma'am.
the
Because
same
it's
answer will get.
Okay,
315 rupees, ma'am.
Same thing has happened. Even if you
Yes,
combined also 10% means.
Yes, ma'am, it's coming
Yes,
315 only.
coming like
Yes.
that only.
Yes, you will get same only. 10% on total amount also same thing only you will get, right? Then no need to take separate. You can go with the combination of first you have to add up the amount and
yes, ma'am. We have combination.
Right. What is the answer you are getting, children?
Ma'am, 315 rupees is off.
315 rupees is off. What would be customer have to pay to the? What would a customer have to pay for the?
3150 minus 315.
You have to subtract that whatever offer happens. Then you have
it would be 2835, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. This question.
Yes, ma'am, 2835, ma'am, rupees. He needs to pay.
Yes, so you see.
It be paid by the customer.
Sixth bit. There is jeans. Jeans, how much paid, children, for jeans? What is market price of jeans? Yes, market price of.
Ma'am, are you doing that, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Some other students.
Ma'am, mark price of jeans is 1450.
450, ma'am. The mark price of the two shirts would be 1700,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
1700.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you
Ma'am,
add
if we
both
add
of them,
that, it
we'll
will
get
come 3150.
3,150, ma'am.
31500.
We add 3150, 10% will be 315.
10% of 3150 is 315. 3,150 minus
When we
315
subtract,
is
we will get 2835.
2835.
Yeah, what amount he supposed to pay?
Customer needs to pay rupees 2835.
2835. The customer has to pay to.
Yeah, this is the way you have to step by step. If you are not getting also, whatever discount is given, 10%. The market price jeans is 1450. Market price of shirts are 1700. Total together amount is 3150. 10% of 315. So just how much amount he is supposed to pay means offer is you just exclude offer 315, then subtract from your bill amount 3150 minus 315, it's nothing but 2835.
Ma'am, the seventh sum is also same like the fifth sum. It is 5% loss, ma'am.
Okay, what is the question? A milkman sold two of his buffaloes for rupees
5% loss.
Ma'am, the price is same. 5% profit is there, 10% loss is there. So we can tell 5% loss is there overall.
Overall loss, overall, right. Average.
Ma'am, but they are quite lengthy process they have given that find the CP of each, but we can easily find out by competitive point of view.
Ma'am, but they will give marks for this, ma'am. If they ask to do
yes, ma'am. Just we need to write. We'll get marks.
Yes, ma'am. For the steps, we will get marks.
Yes.
Ma'am, even if the entire sum is wrong, still if we write half page,
maybe probably they will inform you very soon. There is no subjective part. You're supposed to solve like objective questions. They will inform that.
And we have subjective, ma'am.
Only subjective children. Slowly they will reduce in term examinations. They completely cancel that subjective part. Only objective part will given. That's my, according to the instructions come from my school. It is slowly term 1, they be completely only objectives will be given, no subjectives. When they will consider as a subjective part, only 10 marks, whatever the 10 marks you are writing in your assessments, periodical assessments. There are 25 marks you are writing for your assessments, right? Periodical assessments. In that 15
there is only 20 marks and 2 periodic assessments.
Okay, maybe some.
For me, FA2 is 30 marks, ma'am.
Okay, there are different.
Subjective, ma'am.
Only objectives?
Ma'am, subjective, ma'am.
Okay, only
subjective. As midterm, PA1, PA2, and final exams will be subjective compulsory, ma'am.
In future, all the subjects will be objective only, no subjective part. In భవిష్యత్తులో మీరు రాయడానికి అవకాశం కూడా లేదు, ఏదైనా written part కూడా slowly తగ్గించేస్తున్నారు నాన్న. Only 10 or 15 marks for your skills they are testing. Rest all the things will go with only objective part.
Yes, ma'am, you are right, ma'am. In our school, ma'am, the students which are weak, ma'am, like they never responded during class, they got, ma'am, full, ma'am. Like if there is any kind of weak student, they are getting in written full, and then in objective they are getting so less marks, like 5, 0, and 9.
There is many unfortunate things also happening, children. If we are giving subjective paper, what happening? The parents are writing the test and they're uploading the paper. I called today to parents. I know the student performance, but
ma'am, even most of the questions are from book itself, so they may cheating.
Yeah.
Ma'am, many people, they make silly mistakes in subjective questions. Ma'am, in my class, ma'am, me and some of my friends, ma'am, there was small things they make mistakes, ma'am. Like for minus, they put plus.
Yeah. But yes, paper, limited time will happen, children. Limited time, obviously, the student supposed to try very seriously, and he's supposed to upload.
Ma'am, but I think cheating also needs some time. So if we give less time, then cheating scope will be less.
Yes, Sahu. That's why you are two small kids, 8th class. When you are going to senior classes, obviously 1 minute, a half minute time for each question. Half minute time for each question.
Yes,
whatever the question is, you can practice like that, children. Yes, we'll go with the next question. Yes, someone is calling. Who is that?
No, nothing, ma'am.
Yes, the many days after your voice I heard. Where are you nowadays?
Actually, I wasn't joining, ma'am, because I had more homeworks. Teachers were complete.
Homeworks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why you didn't complete in the daytime in the class time?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Like I had more homeworks. Teachers were telling, like.
Ma'am, this is daily with us.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Only today I joined.
Ma'am, even with us, ma'am. Ma'am, like nowadays we are having virtual classes, so ma'am used to give only 2 sums as a, like they used to do in the classroom, and they give all 20 or 10 questions as homework.
Ma'am, teachers literally understand
ma'am,
that
they're giving us so many projects.
Projects,
yes, ma'am.
Projects, Nana Jashmita.
Ma'am,
there are so many PPTs.
We can do as many as what they give.
Ma'am, there are virtual books, so many, ma'am, like PPTs.
It is hard, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, now we are growing up, so we need to study competitive also. But teachers think that we are free at home only. We don't have any work other than studies of school.
Children, one thing, no subjects will help you. Many, you just practically, anyway, you joined some foundation classes because math and other concepts only. If suppose you are going to MSET examination, you will get only no Hindi, no Telugu, no other subjects only. What are the subjects you are getting there? Math,
science, physics.
Math, science,
yes, ma'am.
These 4 subjects.
Math, physics is very commonly they are in the competitive exams.
And who will good at physics only will get nice scores, ranks, Nana. That is one point. Because math are scored by all the students 150 out of 150. Who will score full score in physics? They will definitely the winners.
I mean, physics also in maths only, no?
Ma'am, but physics is the mixture of science and maths.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, children. Please focus on core subjects, children. That's my sincere advice. I won't tell as a teacher, don't read other subjects, but you should focus.
Ma'am,
3 subjects are really main subjects, ma'am. English, math, and science.
4 subjects.
And the science comes physics, chemistry, and blah, blah, blah.
Ma'am, we can call physics as scientific mathematics.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, last week I had LWSS, ma'am, learning worksheets. Before that week I had FA1. This week also I'm having LWS, ma'am. Next week FA2.
Okay, listening.
Ma'am, can I please ask my doubt now?
Yes, Shreyashi, please, we'll discuss that question. Come on.
Ma'am, it's Shreya.
Yeah.
It's Raya, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, so the question is, shopkeeper sold 2 watches for 425 each, gaining 10% on one.
How much more? Sold 2 watches. How many? 2 watches?
2 watches for 425 each.
425 each. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Gaining 10% on one and losing 10% on the other. Then
gaining 10% on one and using 10% on loss.
Yeah, losing 10% on the other.
Okay.
Then there are, ma'am, 4 options. He neither gains nor loses anything. Option number B, he gains 1%. Option number C, he loses 1%. Yeah, ma'am. So
Ma'am, neither gains
neither
nor
loss,
loses.
no gain, ma'am.
No, wait. Those are small gains. No, that's what I thought, but that's the wrong answer.
Yes, Shreya, there is a question. Selling price is, it's not a cost price. Selling prices of 2 watches are happening as, children, listen carefully. The question you have to see. 425 each.
Yeah.
So how much he is gaining on first watch? That means
10%.
10% means how much he is gaining?
42.5.
Okay, 42.5 means a total amount for first watch?
Ma'am,
406.
Ma'am, 4655. 5.5. 465. Oh, sorry, 7.5. 4675.
467.
This is for first watch. Coming to the second watch.
He loses, ma'am. Means 425 minus.
Ma'am, so minus
42.5.
No, just a minute.
Ma'am, it will come the same. There is no loss, no gain. But the answer she's saying it's different.
No. Selling price is given means what is the cost price, Nana? Profit means?
Ma'am, we can take as X.
No, yes, you can take as X also. It is also same. No, suppose if it is gaining means, okay, so on selling price of, can you repeat once again the same question, Shreya?
Yeah, ma'am. So the question is, a shopkeeper sold 2 watches for 425 rupees each, gaining 10% on one and losing 10% on the other.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer should be the.
Ma'am, so what should we find out? Ma'am, sold price, market price, or cost price?
We should find the 10% cost.
The gain or the loss we need to find. That what?
Shreya, what is the question? Yeah, question.
What was the answer?
Ma'am, the options, ma'am, it didn't exactly write the question. It gave the options like, does he gain or does he lose?
On selling price of 425 each, one is he is loss means 10% he is loss. One is gaining means, of course, is it there is no loss, no gain, right?
Yes, ma'am. I think there is some mistake.
Ma'am, but doesn't that depend on the cost price, not the selling price? Because they might have different cost prices, right?
But they didn't mention. Okay.
They did, ma'am. They said 2 watches for 425 each, ma'am. Means
Yes,
both are 425 rupees only.
No, they got sold for 425.
Yes, ma'am. So,
ma'am, so whatever we found out, it was the cost price only.
And then, yes, ma'am.
No, one watch is cost.
Ma'am, 90% is 425
one watch
of one,
cost price is
and then 110%
other means if you subtract 425 minus 42.50, this is of course it is 0.550. It's 3 minus 2 means 2. It's 42 minus 4 means 38. This is cost prices of different watches.
And this is the real price, ma'am.
This is cost prices. Of course, there is 10% loss, 10% gain. This is the cost price. What is the question is given? If you say, if you combine these two together, 382.50. Here, what is 0? It's nothing but a 0. It's nothing but a 0 here. 6, 7, 14, 15. Now 4 plus 3, how much? 4 plus 3, 7, 850. If this you have to twice it 425 two times. If you take two watches, it's 425 means 0. It's 5. It's again 4 2s are 850. Both are same. Nana. There is no loss, no gain, Shreya.
Ma'am, we need to find a loss of 382.50. No, ma'am.
Shreya, what we according to the question, suppose whatever the selling prices also you are giving, right? Selling prices of each, their loss. Loss means one is one is at 382. Suppose he is supposed to sell it for 382.50. Another one
Ma'am, can I know the options?
Options. There are question is given. What are the options, Shreya?
Gain or
neither gain nor loss, gains 1% or loses 1%.
What option is correct in that?
Ma'am, that's what, ma'am. I also thought it was.
There is no loss, no gain, Shreya, for that. Because if you go.
Yes, ma'am, I do think so. Shreya, which one book is that?
Just an Olympiad one. I don't know which company or something.
Okay.
Is it of MTG?
The same questions.
No, it's not.
Shreya, the same questions you just see. This you have to keep in the mind. Then let me go to our questions. Yeah.
Ma'am?
You just see this question. Oh, yeah. See this question. What is the question here? Please read the question, Shreya, once. Try this question.
Yeah, ma'am. A shopkeeper bought 2 TV sets at 10,000 rupees each. He sold one at profit 10% and other at loss 10%. Find whether he made an overall profit.
Ma'am, no profit, no loss.
Yeah, ma'am, because this directly says the cost price.
Yes, but in this, what is the question here? Only cost price is given. Our question, it is given as selling price, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
If you're supposed to find out the cost price and you need to, the same thing happened. Even I did in the same page. You just see the same thing.
Ma'am, the book is not of MTG, means there are some chances of the answer being wrong.
Maybe.
Yeah, there might be. Ma'am, so can you explain this explanation that you gave?
Which one, ma'am? Our question?
No, ma'am. This question's explanation which you gave, the 425 one.
Oh, yeah. Just a minute. See, Shreya, you are giving as a selling price. On selling price, they are getting 10% loss, 10% gain, right? So 10% gain means 42.50. So they are getting as a profit. Yes, if you add up 425.0 plus 42.5 means you are getting as a 467.5. This is one price of, what is this? Suppose what we have to take over here. Can we take it as cost price over here? The loss, whatever the loss happens in that, we can take it as a cost price. Suppose the person is bought for rupees 467.50, but he sold it for 425. Then only he will get as a loss, right? Yes, Shreya, you just see there is a loss. So what is the cost price in this case of cost price of watch is 467.50. The same way you go with the loss. One more watch. Profit means what happens? He's supposed to buy less cost, right? He's supposed to cost price should be less. Cost price should be less means 10% you supposed to subtract from that, you will get 382.50. That means one watch he bought for rupees 382.50 and other watch for 467.50. Then these are the cost prices. The total amount of cost price is 850. The same way selling price already you gave as a 425 each. 425 each means 2 times of 425, it is 850. Both are same, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I understood.
There is no loss and no gain, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
That's all.
Ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, Satvik.
Ma'am, I just now I checked in Google, ma'am. They are saying the shopkeeper loses 1%, it seems, ma'am. The same question.
Yeah, ma'am. Even in this one, the answer was given there.
What is the solution given? Please let me know. What is the answer?
Ma'am, it is written as let the cost price of the watch A be X.
Okay.
Let
me write. 1 minute.
Yes,
let me write on the
Yes,
screen.
Satvik, you can share the screenshot.
Yes, Arels, please share that. Just let me allow the screen.
I mean, my laptop screenshot doesn't work.
Okay, Arels, please tell that what are the things are happening. What is the steps are given? Cost is?
Let the price of watch A be X.
AB X. Okay, first watch is X. Okay.
Profit is 10%.
Okay.
They wrote 110 by 100 into X is equal to 425.
120 by 100 equal to?
Into X is equal to 425.
Okay.
They simplified and they got the answer 386.36.
386.36. Same thing only we did, right, here?
Ma'am, after they did for watch B, they took it as Y and same lost 10%. They got 472.22.
110. But what is the last price is? Okay, cost of B. Cost of B, watch is how much is given? Just a minute.
472.22.
But what we are doing is the same. It's not same.
Ma'am, they took 90 by 100 into Y, which is 4.
Satvik, is it given as a cost price or selling price on your question?
Ma'am, it is selling price only, ma'am.
Question read once again.
A shopkeeper sold 2 watches for rupees 425 each, gaining 10 on one and losing 10% on the other one. Then he need again.
Loss on 10%. That means it's
I know how they got the 472.22, ma'am. I also
90% of X means 425 is given. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am. 425.
Yeah, ma'am. Like that I did.
So then X, if you want to find out 425 into 100 divided by 90, right?
Ma'am, he did 90 by 100 into Y, which is 425. Y, he got 472.22. He added both X and Y. He got 858.5858, ma'am.
But same thing only we did here, ma. Same procedure only we did, right?
Ma'am, after that, he again did the loss percent is equal to 858.5858 minus 850 by 858.58 into 100. He got 1% loss.
Where we are doing the same amount, 425, 850. But here what we are taking 10%. Okay. Oh, okay. Selling price is given. Why selling price? On selling price means he is gaining 10%. That's why he is taking as 110% equal to 110% of X is equal to 125 taken. Another case he is taken as 90% of X is 425 is taken. In that case, what happens if you simplify even though like that? Is it we are getting?
Yeah, ma'am. So we'll yeah, ma'am.
We will send 110 by 100 into 425. So which table? 25 table directly you can cancel with 25 4 times. 25 how many times? No, 200 means 8 times. 400 means 16 times. 17 times 425. Now 110 by 4. 110 by 4.
Ma'am, I copy pasted the thing which they gave, ma'am, the explanation in the chat.
No, yeah. Yes, we will go with the same thing only. You just simplify here. Same way 90%. Please simplify and give the answer, student. What is you just simplify 4 table, divide with 4 table and give the answer. The same way 90% of 100 into 425. This is also some 4 and it's 17. So it's 4. How many times? 4 2s are 8. 4 2 times 8. 1 4 2s are 8. Again, it's nothing but 2. 2 means 2 4 5s are 20. 22 point. How much? None of this amount. How much you are getting? Please let me know, children, quickly. Then this is after selling price, whatever the amount. Before cost of 425 plus 425, 2 watches means it's together 850. Now you have to compare this to 850 is this one. What is the amount here you are getting, children? 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 8 means it is 30. 30 means how much, Rana? 28. Then 4 times 20, right? 4 5s are 20, right, children? 27.5 into 17. Yes. Who did that calculation part, Nana? Please give the answer quickly. Yes. Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give the 27.5 into 17. What is the value of 27.5 into 17? 17 5s are how much? 85. Is it 85, children? 17 17s are.
Ma'am, 27.5 into 17.
Yes, yes. No one is
Ma'am, I got 467.5.
Okay, then what is the value of 22.5 into 17?
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
22.5 multiplied with 17. 22.5 multiplied with.
Ma'am, it is 382.5.
382.5. Please combine these together. Yes.
10, ma'am.
7 plus
15. 5 and 1. 8.
Same thing only we are getting, right? Ma, there is no loss, no profit. Where is my dear Satvik? Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the part you shared? Let me show that whether it is true. Many things I'm trying, but I'm getting the same answer.
Ma'am, in this you did 90 by 100 into 425. In that they did 90 into 90 by 100 into y, which is equal to 425.
Okay. Why they are taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your chart? You shared that part. Let me see that.
I'm in chat, ma'am.
Okay. See, children, are you able to see the chart? Yes or no? Are you able to see? There is a cost price of watch is given as X. Profit means 110. 110% is nothing but 386.36. So here, what is the loss? You are getting 850 and 858.58. How he is getting as 386.36, children? Let cost price of a watch be.
Ma'am, like linear equation he did, ma'am.
Yeah, anything, children, but we are also doing the same thing only. We are considering as X only, right?
But we are multiplying it by 425. They are just doing it like division.
No, there are two two variables are taken, Nana. Here there is a loss percent they are taking. Profit means they are taking as X. Then loss happens that time they are taking as Y. How they are taking 90%, Y is 90%. 90% of Y is 425. Reduce it to, okay. Then
actually it is 110 by 100 and 90 by 100. It got it ulta.
Okay, we'll discuss this, children. Don't worry about it. Even I didn't get here. There are X plus Y is given as 858.
Even I have sent my doubt you privately.
Yes, net selling price 850 and the loss percent. If I'm doing also same thing only I'm getting here. Whatever the procedure we are doing, where I'm not getting the variation part. Same.
Ma'am, time up.
Yes, thank you, Rishit. Thank you so much. Yes, let me see the other part. Yes, Shreya, will discuss that question, Shreya. Even I didn't get that point. How you supposed to do that X and Y two variables are taken?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
We'll discuss it.
Yes.
Okay. But if you are, that is different means I'm sure this is also not true in that case. What is the case we are discussing previous? That is also not true.
Yeah, ma'am.
That is also not true. But, why? Because of course it is given as cost price here. Maybe it is true. But we are taking here selling price. So let me see any examples are given in that so that we can see over there. No examples like that. Okay. Any other questions or similar questions in your exercise?
No, ma'am.
Just go through once the questions, children. The price of TV is 13, sale tax was charged is 12%. These are simple questions we have in the textbook. Arun brought. I'll check and tell that question, Master. Yeah. We'll discuss in the next class.
Ma'am, the same question in one more web page also. It is showing 1% loss, ma'am.
That procedure we supposed to learn, Mama.
Yes,
There are two variables are given, but how it is getting that different amount, how you are getting, you're supposed to think and do. Let me see another book is there. Just a minute, children. I'm referring another book. What varieties of question? Hence,
ma'am, in each web browser it's coming one only.
Okay, we'll see that now.
Same position, ma'am.
We didn't get in grade 7, grade 8 such a questions, but competitive examination, it is given means you have to learn.
Ma'am, because it's Olympiad, no, ma'am. That's what.
Yeah. Yesterday also there are few bits like that in the our test also. We just go with that. Yes, see children, here the man sold 2 articles rupees 2970 each, gaining 10% on one, losing 10% on other. Find his gain or loss percent on whole transaction. This is a very similar question, children. I'll just discuss with this so that you can try that bit too here. Just a minute, children.
Actually, tomorrow I have social exam.
Okay. Just a minute, Nana. We'll just complete this part and we'll leave. Or else tomorrow there is a questions happens, we can go with it. What is it? Articles sold, each price is given as articles are selling price of articles are given as 2970. So gaining in each gaining 10% one, gaining 10%, gain percent is 10%, loss percent is one article is given as 10 more 10%. In this case, what is given? SP given, children, right? Children, SP given, gain is 10%. Then we have to find out CP. What is CP, children? How to find out the cost price of this? 10% you have to subtract from that, right? 10% of SP. Yes, SP into 100 by. How are you supposed to find out the CP here, children? How are you supposed to find out CP here? By if you are gaining as 10% as profit means 297 you have to
70 is 10% to subtract it.
Or else if you don't know that procedure also, you just go with the formula SP selling price into 100 divided by how much? 100% into gain per 100 plus gain percent. So gain percent is given as 10 here. SP is given as 2970 into 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent. That means 110%, right, children?
That means 110% is equal to 2970.
The same thing, what 110% gain 10% means 110% is 2970. You need to find out 100%. That's all. 100% is 90%. Here, what is the cost price you are getting for first article, children? It's 2. You just simplify this. So what happens here? What happens? 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. 7 means 7 times 270. 270 into 2700 is first article cost price. Now the same way loss means what happens in this case? You have to find out 90%.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 90% is how much?
I need to find 10% of 2700.
Yes, no, 90%. 100% is given as, we know that 100% selling price is 100%. If you take as 100% is nothing but 2970. You have to find out loss means 90%. So into 90 by 100. So simplify this, how you will get here. 297 into 9. How much, children? 297 into 9. No, here only we are doing every time mistake, children. We supposed to not take directly as 90% here. We supposed to not take 90% here. What we are doing, first procedure is correct.
By 100.
But here we supposed to not take as 100%. Why? Because the selling price only 2970. You
Ma'am,
have
110% is 2970. No?
Loss happens means how you supposed to find out the CP. There is another formula. We supposed to not use this. That's why we are getting mistakes then. Cost price of, if your loss happens means how you are getting finding SP into 100 by SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Loss are happening. You supposed to subtract 100 minus loss percent. So here 2970 into 100 divided by, this is the mistake we are doing continuously. That's why we are getting same profit, same loss. You just clarify, please correct that, children. 100 minus loss means 10%, it's 90. So you can cancel here. Just 9 threes are 27, again 9 threes are 330 into 3300. So if you are taking these two amounts separately, what earlier amount we are getting 2,700 plus 2,700. You just together it makes 1,000. It's 5,000. It's total together is 6,000. What is the price of selling on two goods? What is the what is the amount we are getting earlier? If two articles are 2970 into 2, 2970 into 2, how much, children? That is the SP of both the prices. It is given in here. Yes, you just 2 into 2970. How much? 2,000, 4,900 plus 900, 1,800. It's 5,900. 70 plus 70, 40. Yes. How much, Nona? It is 5,940. So if you are taking the, which is, this is your selling prices. What is your cost price here? 6,000. What is the loss happening? How much? 5,940, 600. So how much loss is happening here? Yes. How much loss is happening, children? Yes, please. What is the loss? 5,940 minus 6,000. How much? What is the difference between 940 and other number? 6,000. Its difference is 60. 60 by cost price. 60 by 6,000 into 100. 60 by 6,000 into 100.
Ma'am, it is 1%.
Yes, this is the way. If you do, you will get, or else we won't get. That is also same question. You have to take like that. First one article. Where is Shreya? Are you there in the classroom? Shreya?
Yeah, ma'am, there.
Yeah. This is the same thing. You have to take first whatever the SP is given article, each article 425. Gain means 10%. Then you have to find out the cost price of an article. If anything, gains means what is the formula you're supposed to use for finding CP? SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. In that case, you can take as 110% is 110% is how much you have to find out the cost price you will get. Coming to the selling, coming to the next article, whatever the article you are selling, on that you are getting loss of 10%. In that, how you're supposed to find out cost price means you have to use the formula like SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. These two formulas, please make note, children. This is very important. Many questions in the examination, so you have to make down. When you want to find out the CP, if any profit happens, any loss happens, how you supposed to find the CP and CP when SP and the loss percent given, when SP and gain percent given. If you know that, you can find out the values of cost prices. Then you have to add up those two cost prices and the final selling price you have to add up. You just see the difference between those amount. If it is more means it is gain. If it is less means it is loss. So that
And then ma'am, through that we can find loss percentage with the formula.
yes. The same way you can find out for the year the watches question 2 and let me know, Shreya, whether you are getting 1% or not.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please write down the formulas, children. When SP is given, gain percent is given, CP, how to find CP. When SP is given, loss percent is given, how to find CP. These you have to apply these.
Ma'am, if profit is given, then 100 plus profit percent we will do, no?
Then that is okay. Coming to this case only, loss percent is given. We supposed to not directly subtract here. We can't take as a 90%. That is the thing happening. We are taking as 100%. Sahu, we are taking, how we are taking as that means 90% we are equating to whatever the amount given, selling price. Why? Because it is loss, right? That's why we are equating 90%.
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening, what mistake we are doing earlier means I will let you know. Because gain percent are given means directly we are taking, adding and doing directly. Suppose 110% is how much means that 100% we are finding. Suppose loss is given, directly you have to take as 90% is to the amount, whatever the amount, then you need to find out 100%. This is only the mistake, or else we can do shortcut method also the same question. If suppose Shreya question is like 425, if you take as 100%, sorry, 100% is 425. So she gained how much, Nana? She gained 10%. So 110% you're supposed to find out. Then you will get a CP here. To find out the CP, you can use this. So here what you will get, 110 into 425 by 100. You have to simplify. The same way coming to loss happens means 90% equal to whatever the amount it is.
Yeah, ma'am, because there's a 10% profit on one of them. And
yes, you have to find out 100%. Now, loss happens. That's why we are equating selling price to 90%. This is a major part you're supposed to remember.
So, ma'am, like 90% of X is like...
90% equal to 425, 100% you're supposed to find out. Then what are the values you are getting? You just find out the values. You just find out the values of cost prices of both the articles. When you are getting loss, when you are getting profit, you combined both the cost prices and the selling price. Anyway, you know that 425 each. You have to multiply with 2. It's nothing but 850. You just compare these two, whether it's raising or reducing. You're supposed to, according to see that comparison, whether it is loss or profit. If loss means loss percentage you're supposed to find, profit means profit percent you're supposed to find. Both you have to find out on based on cost price only, not selling price to them. If you want, you can go with the same procedure. How much you can simplify, children? Here directly we will go with how many?
Ma'am, actually I have another class. Like
yes, we will leave. This is the way you're supposed to find out, number.
Yeah, ma'am, I understood.
Okay, okay, children, will stop because many students are, even I too have another class. I supposed to leave from here. Okay, children, bye. Have a nice day. Please practice such a questions.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
They had maths LWS.
Yeah, please practice such a bit.
Ma'am, on Monday I had, ma'am. This Monday.
Ma'am, do you know, ma'am?
Yes, Akash.
Ma'am, on
yes.
Ma'am, on this Monday I had